If the parent class constructor returns an object, that object will be used as the keyword test value on which class fields of the derived class will be defined. This trick is called return overriding, which allows a derived class's field, including private ones, to be defined on unrelated objects. There can be only one special method with the name constructor in a class. Having more than one occurrence of a constructor method in a class will throw a syntax error. Having a getter or setter called constructor is also a syntax error. The constructor follows normal method syntax, so parameter default values, res parameters, etc. can all be used. So here they give us this example. We have the class name person. Inside of its curly braces we're gonna have a constructor, and inside of the parentheses as an argument we're gonna have name, and we are gonna assign into this string anonymous. Inside of the curly braces of the constructor we're gonna use the keyword this, and we're gonna chain it to the parameter name. So we're gonna have this.name is assigned to name, so it's gonna be assigned to this string anonymous. We close the curly braces of the constructor, and now we declare a function named introduce. Inside of the curly braces of the function introduce we're gonna cancel that lookup message, and the message is gonna say hello comma my name is, and now we're gonna use the $sign, open curly braces, and use the keyword this, chain it to the parameter name, so it's gonna be this.name. And in this case we have the string anonymous, so it's gonna be hello my name is anonymous. So we close the curly braces of the function introduce, and we close the curly braces of the class person. So now we're gonna declare a constant named person, and we're gonna assign it to new person. And as you can see here, class person, so this is a class, and after the person we use curly braces, but here when we use the keyword new we use new person, and this time we use no curly braces but we use parentheses. So for example, if we will have class programming, for example, class programming, in this case would be new programming and then a set of parentheses. So in this case we have the constant person is assigned to new person, so we ended up with a semicolon here. And now we're gonna use this constant person, and we're gonna chain it to this function, so it's gonna be person that introduce, and the result is gonna be this message hello my name is, and this.name is gonna get us the name. In this case it's anonymous, but you can change it to whatever you want. So we can grab this example and go to the Chrome developer tools, and you press Ctrl+Shift+I to open it. So we press enter, and there you have hello my name is anonymous. So we can change it to, I don't know, maybe just, I don't know, John. So it's gonna be hello my name is assigned to John, so hello my name is John. And there you have hello my name is John. So that is that for that example. The constructor must be a literal name. Computer properties cannot become constructors. So here we have a class named foo, and inside of this curly braces we're gonna have we open brackets, and inside of the brackets we're gonna have this string constructor. We close brackets and we open a set of parentheses, we open curly braces, and now we're gonna cancel that log a string, and that string is gonna be called. We ended up with a semicolon, and now we're gonna use the keyword this, and we're gonna chain it to a variable named a, and we're gonna assign it to the number 1. So we close the curly braces here, and we close the curly braces of the class foo. So now we're gonna declare a constant named foo, and we're gonna assign it to new foo. And again, the class is foo, so when you use the keyword new foo you use parentheses, so nothing's gonna happen here. But when we cancel that log just foo, we're gonna get foo and an empty set of curly braces. And let's do it in the Chrome Developer Tools. So I grab this example, clean it up here, press enter, and there you have it. So when we cancel that log foo, that is the constant, we're gonna get foo open curly braces, a set of curly braces, and if you click here, you get the variable a is assigned to the value 1. You have the prototype object, you have the constructor function, you have all this information here. You also have the prototype of the object, so that is that. And now when we chain it, when foo that constructor is just gonna log the string, and the string here is just called. For example, I can change it to, I don't know, something, I don't know. And yeah, when we have foo that constructor, the result that I'm getting is something, because I changed it here, the string. Before the string it was called, now I update it to something. So finally, when we have canceled that log and now we pass in foo, the result that we're gonna get is gonna be foo this time, but the object is gonna have a key value pair, a as its key and 1 as its value. So you have a as its key and 1 as its value, and you have also the prototype, the constructor, and you have also the prototype here,